The FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro, Adventurer 5M Pro, 3D printer is a modern high-speed FDM machine designed for both beginners and advanced users. With its CoreXY structure, smart automation, and enclosed design, it delivers fast, precise, and reliable printing in a quiet and user-friendly package. Ultra-fast 600 mm printing speed. The AD5M Pro is built for speed, offering a maximum printing speed of 600 mm with acceleration up to 20,000 mm2. This allows users to complete prints significantly faster while maintaining excellent detail and accuracy. CoreXY structure for precision and stability. Featuring a robust CoreXY motion system combined with an all-metal frame, the printer ensures smooth movement, high precision, and long-term durability. This design minimizes vibration and improves print quality, especially at high speeds. Full auto calibration system. The printer includes a one-click automatic leveling system that calibrates the bed and nozzle position automatically. This ensures a perfect first layer every time and eliminates the need for manual adjustments, making it beginner-friendly. Multiple nozzle options, 0.4 and 0.6 millimeters included. The AD5M Pro comes with interchangeable nozzles, commonly 0.4 mm and 0.6 mm included, allowing users to switch between detailed prints and faster, larger prints easily. The quick change system makes maintenance simple and efficient. Advanced cooling with auxiliary chamber system, equipped with dual air ducts and an internal-external circulation system, the printer provides efficient cooling during printing. This improves layer adhesion and ensures clean, high-quality prints even at high speed. Fully enclosed design with air filtration. The enclosed chamber maintains a stable printing environment and includes HEPA plus activated carbon filters, reducing emissions and improving safety. This makes it suitable for home, office, or classroom use. Quiet printing. A50D speed. Despite its powerful performance, the printer operates quietly with a low noise mode. This ensures a comfortable working environment, making it ideal for indoor use without disturbance. Built-in camera for remote monitoring. A built-in camera allows users to monitor prints in real time through software or cloud platforms. This is especially useful for long prints and remote management. Flexible PEI build plate and easy removal. The printer uses a flexible PEI-coated build plate that allows easy removal of printed models. Simply bend the plate to release prints, saving time and effort in post-processing. Wide material compatibility. Supporting materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, and carbon fiber filaments, the AD5M Pro is versatile enough for both everyday prints and engineering-grade applications. Overall, the FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro is a powerful, high-speed 3D printer that balances performance, precision, and ease of use. It's an excellent choice for users who want fast printing, smart automation, and reliable results in a compact, enclosed system.